Mr. Savior. And the race on Mr. Savior. From the outside is Honor Rush. Down on the inside, Be My Queen. It's now Honor Rush followed by Mr. Savior. Running by the rally is Be My Queen. Potless also there. It's now Mr. Saber alongside Honor Rush, Potless, Be My Queen down on the inside. And running in fifth by about 2 lengths Supreme Leader. And inside the last 700, the favorite, Mr. Saver, this time by a length and a half. Honor Rush running in second, Be My Queen, Faultless, racing on the outside, Pip. Joining them is Supreme Leader, Dare to Dream, Terrible, Marvin, Ice Palace, and El Bimbo. As they race the final corner, the outstanding favorite, Mr. Saver, by a length and a half. Supreme Leader is on the outside, Be My Queen, by the rally Faultless and Honor Rush. And ring the last 100 meters more to run. The favorite, Mr. Saber, by Hapland. Supreme Leader is on the outside, fighting it out. But Mr. Saber winning the race by Hapland over Supreme Leader. Be My Queen, Faultless, and Honor Rush for your Pentafecta.
6815.